Hello, everyone. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. I must say happy Valentine's to one and all. Today, I'm preparing a red velvet cake. This was so delicious. If you want to see how I achieved this, then let's do it. Now I must pause right here to say hello to my people, my subscribers. To those of you who are always coming back, you are and forever will be my MVP. God bless you and happy Valentine's. To my brand new subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you too. Happy Valentine's to you. My viewers, my followers, you're watching, you are enjoying this. But you haven't made up your minds as yet. Please subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. Happy Valentine's. God bless you and continue watching. Those of you who didn't have a chance to go out, I hope you brought the restaurant home. That's what I'm doing. I'm still doing it. Still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you. Family and friends, don't forget to check out the description box now. Everything will be listed there for you. Even if you want to donate to this channel, the links are there. Check them out today. Thank you in advance and God bless you. for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. Don't forget to check out the description box now. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you. God bless you. Happy Valentine's, and I will see you in the next one.